Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to dive into the world of boilers, their types, key components, and the importance of proper maintenance. We'll also explore the historical evolution of boiler safety. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of boiler operation, which can help you ensure their reliability and safety. So, let's get started. Boilers are heavy-duty equipment that generate hot water or steam by burning fuel. They operate under high temperatures and pressures, and given their extreme working conditions, it's crucial to ensure they are properly maintained for both reliability and safety. The U.S. Department of Energy provides a practical checklist to guide boiler maintenance. To make the most of this checklist, let's first familiarize ourselves with the general types of boilers and their key components. Boilers generally fall into one of three main categories: fire tube boilers, water tube boilers, and electric boilers. Fire tube boilers operate by letting hot combustion gases flow through tubes submerged in water. This process converts the surrounding water to hot water or steam. These boilers operate at relatively low pressures of around 150 psi or approximately 10 bar. Water tube boilers, on the other hand, allow water to pass through tubes surrounded by hot combustion gases. Their design allows for significantly higher pressures of up to 3,500 psi, or approximately 240 bar. With higher operating pressures, water tube boilers have a broader range of applications, from small residential uses to larger industrial utility classes. As the name suggests, electric boilers generate hot water or steam from electrical ratings. They are typically used in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC applications. Now, let's discuss the critical components of a boiler, which directly impact its reliability and safety. These components include, first, the drum, which is the single most expensive part of the boiler. Problems with the drum are usually related to corrosion or excessive localized stress. Next, we have headers, which act as outlets for superheated fluids. Headers can be susceptible to deformation from exposure to fluctuating high and low temperatures and thermal stresses. Then there's the tubing. These components are the most common causes of failure due to varying ranges of wear and tear. While tubing usually lasts for long cycles, localized stresses and corrosion can significantly accelerate its deterioration. Piping systems, like headers and tubing, can be subjected to excessive stresses from long-term operation under extreme heat and pressure conditions. Finally, we have deaerators, which must meet industrial standards for oxygen levels within the boiler. Without proper maintenance, deaerators are prone to corrosion and deterioration. Is it safe to use boilers? The short answer is yes. With proper operation and maintenance, boilers are now safe to use and have become an integral part to some facilities. However, it's worth noting that this wasn't always the case. In the 19th century, there were thousands of boiler explosions in the US and Europe. Their safety has significantly improved since then, largely due to better maintenance practices. Since the early 1900s, government and professional organizations have prioritized boiler safety. They introduced codes, standards, and checklists to ensure that boiler safety is second nature. These best practices have not only improved the reliability of equipment, but also the safety of the people that use them. Finally, let's take a look at the preventive maintenance checklist provided by the U.S. Department of Energy. This valuable guide ensures that proper routine checks are being made for boiler safety and efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the types, key components, and importance of proper maintenance of boilers, as well as the historical evolution of boiler safety. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To learn more about our tools and resources that can help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit upkeep.com.